What's up, everybody? So, what if Julian Shapiro is right about distribution being the new moat in SaaS? Julian is a prolific writer and investor, and his POV is super compelling. I'm going to rip a couple excerpts from it, try to convince you to check it out. Number one, your SaaS is no longer competing with slow-moving incumbents. Number two, they're armed with copilot and hungry to line extend to maximize market share and eventually IPO. Number three, did you see how quickly Notion integrated LLMs? Did you see how quickly Microsoft integrated ChatGPT into Office? Number four, what is your unique approach to scalably and convincingly getting in front of customers? Number five, Peter Thiel once spoke about this a while back, and it feels like no one noticed. Here's the quote. Distribution is essential to the design of the product. If you invent something, but you haven't invented an effective way to sell it, you have a bad business. Superior distribution by itself can create a monopoly, even with no product differentiation. The converse is not true. Number six, distribution has at least two components. The first is how. This is the channel that you use to get the word out, i.e. PLA or ads, etc. The second is the what. What is your message and whether it's compelling enough to resonate? This is where it gets pretty interesting and pretty nuanced. Number seven, it's also about whether users can perceive that big value reflexively. The skill of growth doesn't just consist of getting the word out, but also in presenting your value in a way that resonates. That means distribution is one, growth engines, two, great storytelling. Number eight, when a post-product business is still a young startup, it's not a traditional business yet. It's an experimentation factory in search of distribution insights and storytelling. All of this reinforces yesterday's fireside chat with the rock star Riza Martin building out Notebook LM and her comments regarding AI and everyone moving past the why and all in on the how. I believe Julian's thinking above is as relevant for SaaS companies of any size, especially those targeting the enterprise. Have a great day.